Jax here from Legend Brands. When it comes to low-profile air movers that deliver high-velocity airflow for contractor drying power with unrivaled durability, versatility, and portability, look no further than the Velo and Velo Pro. Their durable, rugged, injection-molded housing with its easy carry handle is home to its patented outlet design, which ensures even broad-path airflow for fast, consistent drying across all surfaces. I can't stress their versatility enough. The Velo has 4 operating positions, and the Velo Pro has 5 thanks to its onboard kickstand. Use them to dry wet floors, damp carpets, up or along damp walls, even in hallways, on wet stairs, or angled spaces. You can even direct airflow straight up for ceilings or anywhere you need to circulate air to keep humidity down. They've become the go-to air mover for education and healthcare facilities, public areas, and more due to their compact footprint, ease of use, and with the variable speed feature on the Velo Pro, quiet operation. You no longer need to disrupt the work environment to create an effective drying system. Both units also offer a HEPA kit attachment to filter air in schools and healthcare environments. When it comes to power, the Velo draws just 1.9 amps and has 2-speed versatility. The Velo Pro has variable speed control, and it can go as low as 1.2 amps, making it one of the quietest air movers on the market. Using their built-in GFCI outlet, you can daisy chain up to 6 Velo units together or 10 Velo Pro units on their minimal power draw, which is really helpful when outlets are limited or you're trying to create fewer trip hazards in the affected area. And nothing beats a lightweight product that's also stackable, which means space savings in your facility or the back of the truck. Velo and Velo Pro must-have air movers with exceptional ROI. And we can't forget, they're a part of the most established cleaning and restoration lineup in the industry, Dri-Eaz, engineered and supported in the USA.
What's your favorite air mover, Ange?
I don't have one.
She showed off her approach in our last video, keys to effective drying.
Which we should put in the link below.
Done.
You two are just jealous.
Of what?
My cleaning and restoration mastery?
Mastery?
They call me the Dawn of all cleaners.
They call you the Dawn of all cleaners?
Yeah.
Who's they?
They. Duh.
Legend Brands.